Hello and welcome to this week's Vaticano Updates, the most important news from the Holy Father and the Vatican. Pope Francis has appointed 28 new consultors to the Vatican's Dicastery for the Doctrines of the Faith. This is the body responsible for overseeing doctrinal orthodoxy in the Catholic Church and handling cases of priestly sexual abuse. These new external consultants are experts in theology, canon law and scripture, and they will join existing consultants to regularly advise the Dicastery's leadership and members. Pope Francis urged participants of the conference on the social use of assets confiscated from the mafia to focus on restoring not only the confiscated assets, but also the well-being of the victims and communities harmed by organized crime. The conference was held at the Pontifical Academy of Social Sciences in the Vatican. The Holy Father stressed that it is neither possible nor tolerable to overlook the damage inflicted on the dignity of millions of men and women who suffer due to transnational criminal activities. The Vatican is cooperating with Italian prosecutors in an investigation to the leak of financial information related to the last year's major Vatican finance trial. According to Italian media, 2 men are under investigation for having gained unauthorized access to a database of suspicious financial activity shared by banks with Italy. This database includes potentially compromising information on Italian politicians and defendants involved in the Vatican trial. In an address to the Pontifical Academy of Sciences, Pope Francis emphasized the importance of considering the human and ethical dimensions of scientific and technological progress. He stressed that science must always prioritize using knowledge to uphold and enhance the dignity of individuals and humanity as a whole, while also recognizing the benefits of new advancements. At the 68th session of the International Atomic Energy Agency, the IAEA in Vienna, Archbishop Paul Richard Gallagher, representing the Holy See, reiterated the Vatican's support for nuclear non-proliferation. He emphasized the importance of ensuring the safety of nuclear power stations, particularly those at risk due to conflicts like the war in Ukraine. Thank you for watching this week's Vaticano Updates. In Rome, Andreas Tonhauser for EWTN Vaticano.